I'm rummaging through another little box that I got on eBay a couple of weeks ago. Several little pin gauges, a bunch of small files. This guy was a watchmaker or something because he works on a very small scale. And there's some sort of a little cutter. And I found two of these little gadgets. They're interesting. But I found a mystery. I don't know what this is. It's labeled Whitman Watch Company. And it's got all these little holes with smaller holes in the end of them. I figure it's some sort of bushing to guide a drill, but I don't know. Anybody knows, let me know. And I found a number of these items. Figure they're similar to Mr. Pete's center punch or tap follower or whatever. Number of very small taps and some very small reamers. That's a reamer. This is a reamer. That's a very small double-ended end mill. A bunch of collets. Guy collected nails too. Some gauge blocks. First gauge blocks I've ever owned. And that is a piece off of a surface gauge. Transfer punch. And a wee block. A wee little V block. A wee little hammer to go with it. Why anybody would need a hammer that size, I don't know. Some chamfering tools. And this is for taking the sharp edge off of a hole, I believe. Got a couple of those. And a bunch of these tiny little boring bars. Took me a minute to figure out what they were because I'd never seen one that small. And don't know what this is. Somebody can tell me. I've got a lot of little mystery tools that I don't know what is. Like those little goobers here. There's a ton of these in this collection. So I don't know what they are. And I don't know what this is. It's got a little wheel on the end that rolls. So it looks to be homemade. But some interesting little things. Left-handed lathe tool. I got some taps in this, or some dies in this set. I think that's a solid piece of carbide, but I'm not sure. It's slick as glass, and I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to look those numbers up on Google and see if I can figure it out. Probably a parting piece of a parting tool he had a very small amount left. I found several of those in here. And he's got his own little angle block here with 3 degree, 10 degree, 7 degree, and 11 degrees. So that was interesting that it was handmade. And I think I found the guy's name. It's G. Baylock. Anybody knows him, they can tell me something about him maybe. But those are some little whatnots that I've acquired today.
Well, I figured out what the little mystery tool was. It's a jewel pusher.